All new cars already come with Bluetooth compatibility, which makes it easier to stay connected safely while driving. A lot of older cars lack this tech feature, but there's no need to go to a dealership to buy a new car just to have it. There are a lot of aftermarket solutions, so drivers of older cars can enjoy wireless calling or music streaming. There are many products available to choose from best Bluetooth car kits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best Bluetooth car kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Motorola Sonic Rider Bluetooth in-car speakerphone. Bluetooth FM transmitters are a great way to connect your phone to your car's stereo if you don't have an O port, but none of them offers stellar call quality. If you talk a lot while driving, the Motorola Sonic Rider Bluetooth speakerphone is the best solution, as it offers amazing call quality. With the Motorola speaker, you'll not only hear other people clearly, but they will hear you clearly as well. The built-in microphone is great at reducing ambient noise and catching your voice, while the powerful 2-watt speaker is loud enough even in busy environments. Thanks to its small size and the mechanism that attaches to the sun visor, the Motorola Sonic Rider will not take up a lot of place inside your vehicle. This speaker has voice controls as well. You can answer or hang up a call with answer or ignore, and can also connect to 2 phones at the same time. The built-in battery is good for an astonishing 45 hours of talk time and 5 months of standby. Number 2. Soundbot SB360 Bluetooth Car Kit Hands. The Soundbot Bluetooth Car Kit is a great solution for people who need a smartphone charger as well. It comes with a 12V socket charger with 3 USB ports. The first one can be used for powering the Bluetooth receiver, while the others can be used for charging the devices you connect to it. We think that every Bluetooth car kit that draws power from USB should have this kind of charger built right into it. Despite the added bonus of a charger, the Soundbot SB360 doesn't have a built-in battery, so it must be connected all of the time to the charger and your car stereo via a cable. This means that there will be a mess of cables on your dashboard. The unit itself is diminutive, even though it has 3 big and easy-to-press buttons. The sound quality from the Soundbot is very good, and we can say the same for call quality. The microphone is good at picking up your voice from all of the noise associated with driving. Number 3. Yadder Digital Music CD Changer Bluetooth Car Adapter. The Yadder Bluetooth Car Adapter takes the place of the CD changer of your car. Even if your car doesn't have a CD changer, the built-in stereo should have the installation for it, and you can still use this product. Thanks to all of this, it sits in your glove box or your trunk, and feels like a factory built-in system. It powers on every time you power your vehicle on. You'll only need to find a place for the microphone on your dash. After installation, the Yadder is very easy to connect to, and after that, it will connect automatically every time you enter your car and start it. It offers great sound quality and great call quality, almost like a factory solution. The price is a little higher, but we think it will suit a luxury vehicle greatly, as it can be seen from anywhere in the cabin. Number 4. SOI S32 Voice Command Hands-Free Bluetooth In-Car Speakerphone. If you still want to make a lot of calls from your car, but don't want to break the bank, try the SOI Bluetooth speaker. It may not have the same call quality as Motorola, but for a lot of users, it will be good enough. The microphone is very good at picking up your voice though, which is something that you can't say for a lot of Bluetooth car kits. The SOI product even has built-in voice commands by communicating with Siri or Google Assistant. Thanks to this, you can even ask for the weather or any web information or make a call entirely hands-free. It can be connected to 2 devices at the same time and has a battery that can last up to 8 hours. This may sound fine, but Motorola has juice for 45 hours. Number 5. Belkin Hands-Free Bluetooth Car Audio Connecto. This Bluetooth car kit has a design that is similar to the Rove by Anker, with the difference being that it can be plugged directly into the 12V socket or your cigarette lighter socket. It even has an additional USB port, so you can charge your phone while using this device. However, if you do that, there will be 3 cables making a mess on your dashboard, which is certainly not ideal, and the device doesn't even come with a rechargeable battery. In its defense, the Belkin Bluetooth car kit can offer great sound quality and call quality. The microphone comes with built-in noise cancelling. You'll need an O port to be able to use the Belkin product. Even though it is very easy to use and has built-in buttons for direct control over your calls or music, if you find a good deal, this is a great product, but for the price, it is offered right now. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.